Hello everybody, we are back, and again I am Shane McCarthy, the head of marketing here at Pembroke, and today I have the pleasure for part 2 of this interview series of interviewing Dr. Nebil Busetta. And we are just going to find out now a little bit more about Nebil. We were chatting on the previous video around the new clinic, or the new Centre of Excellence, that is opening up in Newbridge at the end of September or early October, which Nebil is going to be playing a huge role in. So, Nebil, tell us a little bit about yourself. What's your background, and how did you become one of Ireland's leading ortho specialists?
Hi, Shane. Thank you. Thank you again for this interview. I'm just going to keep it brief and short. I'm from Tunisia, which is in North Africa. I moved to Romania to do my studies, and then I moved to Sweden afterwards to do my specialty. Worked there a bit, and then I moved to Ireland. That's how I ended up in Ireland, because I studied with a lot of friends that are from UK and Ireland. So yeah, so that's a brief.
That's how you got. And then what made you fall in love with doing orthodontics, Nebil? How did you get into the role you're in now?
After finishing dentistry, I started working in dentistry a little bit, but I just didn't like it, because the satisfaction of the patient is not huge. I started also shadowing and doing different specialties, so to find out which one was the best for me, was giving me more adrenaline than the others. So I tried surgery, tried different specialties, but I end up doing ortho because the satisfaction and the challenge is it's unbelievable. So
it must be a wonderful feeling when you see somebody get up off the chair and they get to see their teeth the way they've always wanted them, and you were the person, you were the specialist who helped them get there.
The satisfaction of the patient, that's the most important part to me. So I find orthodontics is very fulfilling as a job. That's why I like it.
It sounds like it. And then for you, what's important, from your experience, what's important when it comes to patient care, the patient journey? What would be your key pillars? Or
the key, to be honest, is to just listen to the patient. That's the most important part, I think, of the job, is you have to be a good listener. If you're not a good listener, then the patient won't be open to you 100%, and therefore you can't really treat the problem. Sometimes the problem can be small, but it's very big inside the head of the patient. So that's why you need to listen to the patient.
I love it. That's exceptional. And what are you, and we'll finish up on this question because we have another video to shoot after this as well. What are you most excited about opening up a Centre of Excellence for orthodontics and implants in Newbridge?
I'm very excited about the new journey of the patient. As I've been doing this for many years, I've had good and bad experience, and this time it will be the best version of an orthodontic and an implant patient journey, and that's what I'm really excited about, to have a different patient's journey.
I love it.
Yeah.
I have one more question, then slightly left the curve, but we've talked previously in one of our videos around where your inspiration and motivation comes from. So give it to me. What's your favorite quote?
My favorite one is, if you want to have something you never had, you have to do something you never did. That's my best one.
I love it. I love it. I had to do that for the audience. I knew you were going to come back with that quote. It's one I love myself. Listen, Nebil, as always, my man, thank you very much. I appreciate your time. Ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Nebil Busetta, one of the key pillars, the launch of a new Centre of Excellence for Ortho and Orthodontics and Implants in Newbridge, launching the end of September or early October. Stay tuned. We have more videos with Nebil coming out very soon. We're shooting them all today on the same day, so you may see some of the same clothing, etc. But listen, thank you very much. It's been an absolute pleasure.
Thanks, Shane.
Always.
Thanks,
Take
Shane.
care.
Great to
Bye-bye.
see you. Thanks.